First didn't function properly. Okay, can you stop me? Hello, my name is Lauris Prikulis, and I'm today like to show you or present my master thesis. The master thesis title is Development of IT Solutions for Small Banking Institutions. First, I'd like to start with the agenda of today's presentation, and basically I would like to base my agenda on a diagram I made which shows the pattern of thought during my master thesis. First, if you can please put your attention to the first part of the diagram, which shows the first thing I considered is the scope of the research. Basically, three parts were important for me. First, which organizations I will survey or I will research. Then, which kind of solutions are interesting for me. Then, it's the term of productivity. What kind of solution could be described as productive? Based on this, I made an emphasis on ERP systems, which could be used for small banking institutions, and research the possibility of its usage in small banking or other banks in general. Then, if you could please pay attention to the middle part of the diagram, the next part, which emphasizes the 6 critical decisions which are important for implementing IT solutions, which are project team structure, implementation strategy, transition technique, database conversion strategy, risk management strategy, and change management strategy. During the thesis, I analyzed these 6 critical decisions and thought ways how to use them when implementing IT solutions. And the last part of my presentation will be focused on the last part of the diagram, basically showing what kind of solutions I found which are suitable for the local market. And additionally, I made some small survey about available solutions in credit unions in Latvia, with cooperation with the main council of all credit unions in Latvia. And additionally, I will show the implementation of a solution which I proposed based on Microsoft Dynamics NAV. It's an ERP system, and then the main goal of it is to implement this system in real life with the support of European Union funds and with the support of the local council of this region. So first I'd like to start with the main goal. The main goal, as already stated, is to develop an IT solution for a small banking institution. In this case, it's Nīderlandes Krājasdevu Sabiedrība. It's an organization which is suited in my home village in Vidzeme. And based on these goals, the following tasks were set. First, it's important to determine the possibility of using ERP systems in small organizations or small banking institutions in general. Additionally, I researched the available methodologies for implementing IT solutions in small organizations. Then additional task was to survey available solutions in the local market, and additionally solutions which are available for small credit unions in Latvia. And an additional task is the development of an IT system based on the needs of Nīderlandes KKS, of Nīderlandes Credit Union. Then I'd like to show the scope of my research. First, it's organizations. I already stated that those are banks in general. Then those are small organizations. So it's important for me to consider what kind of systems are available in this niche and what could be suitable for small organizations. Additionally, it will be more focus on credit unions in general. The next scope is the IT solution. For me, I want to determine what kind of solutions are good for small banking institutions. And one of the things I found out that it's important to have these core banking functions. If you could compare bigger commercial banks with smaller credit institutions. The main difference is that bigger commercial banks with branch offices mostly could use more than one system, which, for example, one system covers basic core banking functionalities, which are used in branch offices, and then the data is migrated in the centralized data center. For smaller institutions, it's better to use an integrated solution which has core banking functionality in it. And then it's important to determine what kind of solution could be considered as productive. So the basic points I deduct are that IT investments do not cause profit efficiency directly. It could be related to the profitability paradox, which could be stated in my master thesis. So basically, if the organization in times IT investment, it becomes a necessity for the organization to stay competitive. So it is important as well for me when implementing, for example, an IT solution to consider this fact that in time I must find a perfect balance between investment and the efficiency or the cost efficiency I get from the solution. Then I would like to focus our attention on a diagram. It's a diagram or survey made in one paper about ERP and banking. Basically, it shows the areas in which, on the black side, you can see the areas in which ERP systems are already implemented. And on the gray side, you can see the areas in which ERP systems are planned. So that basically shows, the survey was made in 2007, and it basically shows that ERP systems are quite popular as well in the service industry, but in general, ERP systems are considered more suitable for manufacturing industry. And then the survey shows additionally some goal achievements which were achieved for the banking organizations, like better information transparency, more efficient business, improved security, higher quality of business processes. And now I'd like to show some benefits of ERP systems which I found in my surveys. Those are mainly some additional reporting possibilities. Then there is the bigger support of operational planning, and then it's the wider scope of integration between different modules in an ERP system. So those are the benefits an organization or small organization could get when implementing an ERP system. And then I'd like to show some points, some key decisions which are important to make when implementing an IT solution. First, it's the project team structure. Is it 18-based or heavyweight-based team structure? Then there is the implementation strategy, basically how the system will be implemented. Is it a rapid implementation strategy, big bang, etc. Then another important decision to make is the transition technique, with which the solution will be implemented. Then additionally, it's important to consider about database conversation strategies. Will it be automatic conversation of data? Will it be manual? And then additionally, it's the risk management strategy, how all the possible risks will be managed during the implementation. And the last one is the change management strategy. So this ends the theoretical part of my presentation.